Travel trailers are super popular here at Colton RV, and we'll have them in all sizes for every budget at the Buffalo Bills RV Show. Like this 2021 Keystone RV Outback 332 ML. This full-size luxury travel trailer is designed for travelers who like to camp, but like to camp comfortably. Stylish and well-appointed, Keystone makes no sacrifices. Or this brand new 2022 Primetime Avenger 27 DBS. The economical Avenger combines comfort, convenience, and style with the industry's highest standard of quality and construction. No matter where or why you travel, there's always something to be found. The 2020 Dutchman Coleman Light 2835BH is loaded with added value and innovative features, yet light on weight. To see our wide range of travel trailers, stop by the free Buffalo Bills RV Show at Highmark Stadium from October 14th through the 17th.